Alright, we're going to differentiate x times inverse sine of x plus the square root of 1 minus x squared. As we can see, here is a multiplication, so we will have to use the product rule. Here we go. Let's look at this part first. We are going to keep the first function, which is x, and then we multiply by the derivative of the second. The derivative of this is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. So be sure to remember that. And then we continue. You see, in this case, we look at the inside, and yeah, we use the chain rule, but the derivative of x is just 1, so it doesn't matter. And then we continue. We add the second function, which is inverse sine of x, and we multiply by the derivative of the first. The derivative of this x is just 1, just like that. Okay, that's it. And now let's take a look at this one. Here we have the square root. Here we go. Differentiating square root, we get 1 over 2 square root, and then the inside stays the same, 1 minus x squared. But we need the chain rule right here. Look at the inside. The derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of negative x squared is negative 2x. So that will be the write-off for it. Pretty cool. You know what's cooler? Check this out. We can actually cancel the 2's. And moreover, you see this right here is x. Let me just write down everything again. This is x over square root of 1 minus x squared. And this is just inverse sine of x. And this right here is a negative x over square root of 1 minus x squared. So you see, this and that cancel out each other. So the final answer is actually just this. And that is inverse sine of x. And that's it. Yeah, and by the way, in calculus 2, we will see how to go from here back there.